the Ishtok 1. This is an interesting one. Probably the largest single spill ever. It was in the Gulf, but on the Mexican side. One thing that we can take from it is at least how the warm Gulf waters treated this similar oil. Over half of it evaporated. The next largest, 25% portion, sank to the bottom. Sinking to the bottom is an issue that we should all be concerned with because it gets into the sediments. That is a little, it's an anoxic environment. There's not a lot of energy there, and it stays there, which means it's very persistent. How bioavailable it is, we don't know. The effects of the Ishtok spill, hundreds of kilometers of crab population devastated overnight. Shrimp population, 2/3 of it dead. Unlike our marshes, however, the Ishtok spill never went into delicate lagoons. There was heavy rainy season. It kept the oils from going in. Our marshes are much more delicate, and we know they're getting hit by the oil. According to the Mexican fishermen, they say we're still feeling the effects of Ishtok. That's from 1978. Now, that's qualitative, not quantitative data, but nonetheless, it's important. One thing that happened with the Ishtok data is that in Texas, they knew the oil was coming, and they took some pre-spill or pre-oiling data. When they compared it afterwards to the post-oiling data, they did find damage. Worms and amphipods, these are things that our shrimp eat. They're at the bottom of the food chain. They were reduced by 80 and 50%. 2 years later, the numbers had rebounded.